up, wake up. You know I love to see your face with no makeup. I just need your attention, baby. I see the way I dey tension, baby. Let me know if I'm more than just a friend to you, more than just a friend to you. Make I know.
So this is just Vaseline. It's light, now made your chest very fair.
More than my face.
Okay guys, I'm just going to quickly go ahead and start carving out her brows, and I'm using the Rimmel brow pencil. I'm going to carve it out with black brown, and then I will go over to fill in the brows
Song for your
dark brown.
Yeah, I just wanna let you know, no they hide no more, and I ain't a player no more. Next to you I there for sure. Yeah. Mama let me know you don't want to be solo.
The products I'm using, I have them listed out in my description box. Now when I get to the front, I'm just going to go in upward motion very lightly. Make sure to blend out all the brow pencil in the front. So you're just going to look as if, you know, I filled in only the bottom. Taking the RCMA concealer and powder palette, I'm going to use this shade right here to clean the bottom part of our brows.
Nah, they tryna go on like I ain't really watching. You know, say I free you. If it's a crime that I'm falling in love with.
So for the beginning part, I'm going to use concealer like very similar to her skin tone.
I just wanna let you know.
Like it?
See,
Hey. To prime her lids, I'll go in with MAC's Paint Pot in Painterly. So I'm just priming her lids with MAC Paint Pot in Painterly because I'm going for something on the pinkish side. So we're going to use Painterly because Painterly has that pinkish undertone. So I'm going to be blending out that paint pot. As for this look, we're going to be working with Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. I'm going to be using this as her lid color. So I'm just using the shade Dusty Rose to set her entire lid because we're just going for something very nice and simple. So while I'm applying that shade, I'm making sure to also go over the edges to give it a very nice blend and transition, just to blend it out. I'm not using any shadow to blend out yet, I'm just blending the color all out by itself. So to add some warmth to the crease, I'll just take burnt orange and do a little bit of blending just around the crease area. Just going to use that to help transition.
You was the wifey material. You was the one in a million, girl. I was still planning to get with you.
Go ahead and line her eyes with the INGLOT 77 gel liner. Okay guys, it's time for lashes.
I got away.
Your eyes gently. Are you feeling glue on your eyes? No. So when you put on the lashes, always ask your clients, you know, to open their eyes just to make sure that the glue is not maybe touching anywhere and making them feel uncomfortable. To use the tweezer to bend the lashes a bit because sometimes this particular brand tends to go up annoyingly, so I just always like to push it down a bit just to make it look more natural. So to prime her skin, I'm going to go in with the BECCA Evermatte Poreless Priming Perfector. I'm just going to apply, I'm just applying it around the areas where she gets oily, so which is around her nose. Yeah, you get all around your nose. Okay, her forehead, because I can see her forehead is shining already. Okay, so for foundation, I'm going to use the black Opal stick foundation in the shade Rich Caramel. Base is much darker than her neck, so I'm going to blend to her neck. And you guys, I sterilized the stick foundation before going or before using it on her face. I'm going to blend it out with the NYX foundation brush in number 22. I'm just going to push this product into her skin. Highlight, I'm going in with Makeup Revolution highlighter, and I'm using number 12. I'm just going to highlight softly.
Niger flavor.
Now to set the highlight, I'll go in with the Makeup Revolution banana powder. So for the areas where we did not contour, I'm just going to set it with a powder. We're not going to do excessive contouring. We're just going to bring back color to her face.
My girl, she got a gun in her hand.
I'm going to dust off the banana powder, and I'm using the shade, the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark. I'm using that to dust off the powder. Look up. So now I'm just going in with a little bit of the Sleek Contour Kit in Dark. Using that to add definition back to her face. Okay, smile for me. Taking the shade Mulberry to smoke out her under lash line. Look up. Ooh. I wasn't expecting that pigmentation.
I'm jealous of myself.
You of yourself? How come I'm jealous of yourself? Highlighter palette. Popping Rose Pink right into her inner tear duct.
All the way with me. Tonight's go all the way.
I'm going for her lips. I'm going to just line with MAC's Chestnut Smile. For her lips, I'm going to use Wet n Wild Bury It All. I'm going to just apply this nice Sephora lip gloss. Girl, smile for me.
I wanted to, you know I got a special spot to help you remember me. And every time you leave this spot, you know I get to see. Oh, she's bright like electric bulb, so everybody gets to see. Yeah. And every time you leave this spot, you know I get to see.
Thank you so much, Nina. God bless you. I love my look. Wow.
Hey guys, thanks for this video. I'm going to see you all in my next one.
Ciao.
Yeah.
All night long. Tonight I represent the guy with the money who live fast, but still, baby, don't die young. So tonight just go all the way with me, all the way with me. Tonight just go